Hi, this is Jeff Locklear with H&H Color Lab, and in this video I want to demonstrate for you a new feature within H&H Schools. So I have a project that has multiple images per subject, and I need to create a yearbook export from this project. Requirements for the yearbook export are one image per subject, so I have to be sure that I have each one of them included on that export. So a real simple way to do that is to use the yearbook tag within H&H Schools. The issue is how can I be sure that each one of my subjects that has multiple images has at least one of those images selected for the yearbook? So that's the feature that we've added, is a way for you to filter down and find those subjects with multiple images that have not been yet tagged for yearbook. So let me go ahead and demonstrate for you how that works. So in my project, I can see that there are multiple images per subject. And in some cases, there's only one image per subject. But what I've done is I'm using the yearbook tag to pick the one that I want to use for that yearbook export. And the way I've done that is I just go and select an image. Then I come up and use the yearbook tag to tag it for yearbook. It's just that simple. But what I have to be sure of when I create that yearbook export is that I've included at least one image from each subject for that yearbook export. So how can we figure that out? So if we go over to the right-hand side of the screen in the upper right-hand corner, you can see that it shows me the number of subjects in view. So that's the number of subjects in this project. There's 75. So what I should have is I should have 75 of those subjects that have been tagged or selected for the yearbook. So let's go ahead and figure that out. So I'm going to come down here to my tags, click open the drop down, and I'm going to select yearbook. That will show me every subject that has a yearbook tag. Now when I look in the upper right hand corner, I see there's only 71 subjects. So there are 4 subjects in this project that I missed tagging for yearbook. Because remember, we had 75 in the original view. That's how many subjects are photographed in this particular project. So how can I find those subjects that have multiple images, but I haven't tagged one of their images yet? So let's do this. Let's go ahead and clear this filter. So here's where the new option comes in. Under field name, I'm going to select subject ID, and under option, I'm going to select not tagged for yearbook. Go ahead and click apply. Now it shows me in this filtered view each one of the subjects and any multiple images that they have that have not been tagged for a yearbook yet. So as you can see here in the upper right hand corner in subjects in view, there's 4. So those are the 4 missing subjects that we haven't tagged yet. So I'm going to go ahead and tag them for yearbook. Now that I have them tagged, I'm going to go ahead and clear this filter. Now I want to go ahead and verify that I have matching numbers as far as the number of subjects in the project and the number of subjects that have been tagged for the yearbook. So remember, we have 75 subjects in this project. You can verify that by looking in the upper right-hand corner and seeing that there are 75 subjects in the view. So I want to verify that I have 75 subjects tagged for the yearbook. So I'm going to do that by clicking my tags drop down and selecting yearbook. Here you can see there are 75 images in this filtered view, which is the subjects that have been tagged for yearbook. So my numbers match up. I have a matching at least one image per subject that's been tagged for the yearbook. So that gives you an easy way to verify and validate that you've done that. One other way you can check that, I'll go ahead and clear this filter, and we can just go ahead and run the filter that we ran initially by selecting under field name subject ID and then selecting not tagged for yearbook, clicking apply, and as you can see there, none of the images are in that view. So everybody's subject ID has at least one image that's tagged for the yearbook. So hopefully that'll give you a quick and easy way to kind of run through your project before you create that yearbook export, so you can be confident knowing that you have at least one image per subject selected for that export.